Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put a backing to my rugs. I will be using those little clips, some felt, scissors of course, a complete rug that's glued and ready to go. I have my glue gun and I will be using Gorilla Spray adhesive. Now let's begin. I'm going to take my scissors and then I'm going to cut into the edge of the rug. It's not the rug I'm cutting into, it is actually the fabric, the burlap that I used as my primary fabric. Cutting around like this helps you fold in your corners and edges to help them lay flat. Now you're going to take your glue gun and you're going to glue those pieces down into your fabric. You want to make sure that your yarn of your rug is pulling a little bit to the back.
You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day, for you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my son. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my
You want to make sure you glue it down really well.
been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything.
Alright, now that we have our primary fabric glued down to the back of our rug, we are going to be taking our felt and layering it to the back of our rug. You can use whatever backing you're using. We are using felt because it's the cheapest to use, and this is my very first rug that I ever tufted. So now I'm going to take my felt and lay it on the back of my rug, and then I'm going to trim around it because it is not currently a perfect fit. So I'm going to fine tune this.
Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours. forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
Okay, it's still not perfect, but we're going to work out the kinks when we put our final glue to the back. I'm going to take these clips and I'm going to pin them at the top of my rug to hold my felt in place as I apply the Gorilla spray adhesive. I will be spraying both sides of my fabric, so I will be spraying the felt and I also will be spraying the rug to make sure that it gives it a good hold. I've seen some people put weight on their rugs once they put the backing on to make sure that the backing stays on the rug. But I think it's fine. So I'll just spray, not the whole rug. I'm going to do this in pieces. And then I'm going to spray the felt. And then I'll press it down. Make sure you press it in all areas. Notice that I am not spraying the edges of my rug. You are welcome to spray the edges of your rug, but I will not be spraying the edges of my rug. I did, however, spray the edges of my felt. Now I'm just going to press down with some pressure, and then I'll do the same thing to another portion of the rug and felt until I have spray adhesive the whole felt piece to the back of my rug. Don't worry if your rug is somehow off, if the backing of your rug is somehow not completely cut to fit the back of your rug perfectly. We will be hot gluing the edges to take care of that. You notice that my rug isn't completely lined, but we're going to cut that, snip the pieces that do not need to be there when we hot glue the edges, as I stated before. Now that we have applied our spray adhesive, we're going to take the scissors as we go around and hot glue our edges. We are going to cut the unnecessary pieces that do not need to be there. Remove your clips and let's get to work.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met.
So we're going to take our hot glue and we are going to glue down these edges all around our rug. Take your scissors and cut when necessary.
You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day, for you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours, forever yours. My love is
Once you get everything glued down, do a little cleaning up of your rug. I will link a video of me showing you how to do that here, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop, don't stop giving